be successful in business, you need to start treating your time as the most valuable resource. You should have goals, milestones, and objectives to work towards in your business by building a plan of action for achieving major milestones along the way. Setting goals gives you a long-term vision of what success looks like and short-term motivation to consistently take action towards achieving those goals. Having clearly defined goals allows you to measure your achievements and helps you build self-confidence as you recognize your ability and competence in achieving the goals that you've set. To achieve success in anything in life, you'd need to develop a commitment to taking consistent action and overcoming challenges that you face along the way. This is where hard work comes in, and hard work trumps ability every time. Failure doesn't mean that you haven't worked hard. It simply means that you need to take another approach to achieving what you want. Failure strengthens you, teaches you value, gives you a sense of direction, gets rid of fear, and brings experience. Failure makes you a stronger person and teaches you resilience on the road to success. When you're faced with overcoming challenges, it's easy to blame people and shift responsibility as a way out. By blaming others, you surrender control. Taking responsibility gives you that control back and creates space for a solution to be found. Taking time to recognize your achievements allows you the chance to pinpoint exactly what worked so that you can repeat the success in the future. While celebrating success is important, overindulging in celebrations can have an impact in your future success.